Hey designers, want to create fire in Adobe After Effects with just a few clicks? You're in the right spot. Start by using the ellipse tool to draw a circle. Then, center the anchor point in the middle of the circle and make sure the shape is aligned both vertically and horizontally in the center. These are basic steps you need to do each time. Once that's done, make sure your layer is selected. Go to the Effects and Presets panel and search for CC Mr. Mercury. Apply this effect to your circle, and you'll see a bubbly, abstract look. To turn this into fire, adjust the settings. Set the radius X and radius Y to 2. Then, change the gravity to -0.5 and select Jet for the animation style. Set the blob birth size to 0.70 and make the blob death size 0. Preview your animation. If it's cut off at the top, just increase the size of your circle. Have you ever seen white fire? No? Me neither. So, change it to a yellow or orange hue in the fill properties to make it look more realistic. And that's it. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.